Is the slippery whore that I donated my jizz to for a while staying there?
My dog stepped on a bee. Objection, relevance.
And that psychologist that Johnny picked, her husband's so into me, she told him I was gonna be there, and he brought me muffins. She told her husband she's not supposed to do that. Well, I mean, she said that we could thank him for them. So, I mean, he's so into me, I feel so bad for her. This is it. This is how we're gonna win this case. She has no idea.
Wait. I am with child. Yours.
I don't recall that we ever had...
You were drunk.
I've actually never been that drunk.
Mr. Depp mentions Aquaman, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
Excuse me?
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
No, Miss Vasquez, I got myself that role by auditioning.
All right, you have a great rest of your day. Great. Amber, sweetie, you did great today. I'm gonna keep it up. You did awesome. But for tomorrow, first things first, when you're crying tomorrow, don't forget to pretend to wipe your tears. Very important, details matter. Also, when you're telling these stories, really hyperventilate and struggle to get those words out. But do not forget to wipe the fake tears. You forgot to do that today. Details matter. It's important. Okay?
Miss Heard, did you donate the money? Yes, I pledged it. But did you pay it all? Yes, I pledged it. No, but did you, pay it in full? I pledged it, yes. That's not the same thing. Yeah, it is. It's a yes or no. Did you pay it in full? Well, I cannot fulfill it because my ex-husband is suing me. You had 13 months to pay it, but I pledged it. But you didn't pay it because my ex is suing me. But you had a whole year and a month. Yeah, which I did pledge it. Did you want to keep the money? I didn't keep the money. Where's the money? My ex is suing me.
Are you familiar with Amica cream?
What is it?
Amica?
Amica?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Well, when you say no makeup, you don't know she was not wearing makeup, correct?
For a fact?
Correct.
No.
And you don't know whether she had applied Amica cream, correct?
No.
And
I didn't even know what Amica cream is.
Do you know whether she had applied any Amica cream that morning to her face?
No.
And do you know whether Amber had any Amica cream on that day?
No, I don't.
Okay. And again, do you know whether she was wearing any Amica cream?
Sir, if you could just answer
I'm
this
sorry.
question.
I'm totally sorry.
Thank
sorry.
you, sir.
That, no.
Mr. Depp, do you recognize this picture up here? Yes, I do. That is ibuprofen. Now, did you use this drug while you were married to Miss Heard? The over-the-counter pain reliever. Yes, it was much needed. Mr. Depp, do you recognize this pill bottle? Yes, I do. And these painkillers, they were in your possession? Yes, I kept them in my nightstand, as many people do. Do you recognize the pill bottle? For the third time, yes, I recognize it. Yes, I had it. Yes, I had it while married to Miss Heard because it's an over-the-counter medication. And you admit to prior drug use? Yes, I did have a drug issue before, but I have not used opioids since. With Mr. Depp having these pills in his possession, we must ask ourselves, where does it end? What? You claim that Miss Heard was abusive? Yes. Yes, sir. I do. Why? Well, she was not quite nice to me. She would physically put her hands on me on multiple occasions, and she said, "Hearsay. Hearsay." Okay, she would tell me, "Hearsay." Okay, she would raise her voice and then scream, "Hearsay." Okay, she would speak to me in a very belittling, "Hearsay." She wasn't pleasant to me. Why? May I explain to the court? Go ahead. When I confronted her about her punching me, she explained that... Oh, what's that? Sorry, did you not hear me? What was it? Oh, it's hearsay. Mr. Depp, I have one final question. Yes, sir. Do you recognize this pill bottle of ibuprofen? Write down what he's wearing so I can wear it tomorrow.
72, please. And after you both returned to LA, did Mr. Depp...
You still haven't donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity. Isn't that right?
Incorrect. I pledged the entirety of the
Ms. Heard,
settlement, $7 million
that's not my
to
question.
charity, and I intend to
Ms.
fulfill
Heard,
those obligations.
Ms. Heard, that's not my question. Please,
What was
try
your
to answer
question?
my question. Sitting here today, you have not donated the $7 million, donated, not pledged, donated the $7 million divorce settlement to charity.
I use pledge and donation synonymous with one another.
But I
the same
don't.
thing.
Ms. Heard, I don't use it synonymously.
That's how donations are paid.
Ms. Heard, respectfully, that's not my question. So as of today, you have not donated, paid $7 million of your divorce settlement to charity, right?
I have not been able to fulfill those obligations yet.
And that's because you did want something, didn't you?
I didn't want anything.
I think about it night and day. I'll always make you feel this way. You make me wanna fight for you, cause I keep loving you the same. I keep loving you the same. I keep loving you the same. I keep thinking about the things that we have done when we were younger. And I keep thinking about the things that we have said when we weren't drunk enough to say.
I was wearing nothing, not a stitch of makeup.
Michelle, can you bring up 801, please? Some testimony of people in the week of May 20th.
Heartbroken. And I sat there for a long time, and I eventually turned the key and drove home. What did you do after that? I don't know. I don't remember what I did when I got home. I don't remember. I went to my therapist. I told her, objection, hearsay. I'll sustain as to what she may have told her.
My dog stepped on a bee.
But you have heard of me.